Now let us look at the prominent TCL command commit. Commit marks an end of a transaction. A transaction begins whenever you start to modify some data. Then if we want to confirm the changes, we need to issue commit. There are various options for commit. Commonly, you would just issue commit with no options, and this will write the redo data or the new values to the redo area in the disk. The control will be returned to you only after a successful write. This is the safest method to make sure your changes are permanent. Commit wait is just the same as commit. In other words, if you do not issue any options, then wait is the default option for commit. Use commit no wait if your system is non-critical and increase in transaction throughput is important to you. Here, the control doesn't wait until all the redo information is written to the disk. So you get the control back quickly and move on to your next transaction immediately, thereby increasing your transaction throughput. However, this is unsafe. If the system crashes after the commit and before it has been returned to the disk, then the data will become invalid. Thank you for watching this video.